This week I am testing the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. This is a 5-seater SUV. Let's jump straight in and see how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The boot section of this review is brought to you by Thule. Now, the styling on the exterior of the Hyundai Tucson definitely doesn't make it look like a frumpy SUV. It looks very sporty. So let's find out if the interior is practical for families. The boot door of the Hyundai Tucson opens electronically with just that double beep and closes that way too. Now, you can open the boot door just with the key fob, which is fantastic if you're coming to the car carrying your kids or loaded with their things. Let's find out how the Thule Prams fit in the boot. The boot of the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid will hold 14 shopping bags, or the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration Pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid with 6 shopping bags. The Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration Pram with 2 sibling seats will fit in the boot with 6 shopping bags. And the Thule sleek, future-proof multi-configuration Pram with a single seat and the bassinet will fit in the boot of the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid side by side but with no shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 3 shopping bags. Or the Thule Urban Glide 3 double ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 3 shopping bags. Or the Thule Spring lightweight and one-hand folded stroller fits in the boot of the Hyundai Tucson Hybrid with 8 shopping bags. Or you can fit a 90 litre, a 70 litre and 2 40 litre Thule Chasm duffel bags in the boot, or a medium-sized dog. The interior of the front of the Tucson is nice and modern. It's got a huge sweeping media screen in the front of the dash, and there's pretty good storage in the front here. There are 2 cup holders in the central console that will hold a reusable or disposable coffee cup. Beside them is a wireless phone charging pad. Underneath there's more storage, including another phone pad, and you've got USB-C and 12-volt sockets there for charging. And behind them is a good size central console box. The glove box is a good size in here that will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual, and there's a shelf that runs along the dash, which is good for popping the passenger's phone. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad or wallet will fit in there too, and they have got a little bit of storage in the handle wells. The visors in the front are extendable and they're lit too. The media system in the Hyundai Tucson is lovely and modern and easy to navigate. Got lots of great features in here, like weather forecast and calendar, which is great for you to be able to keep up to date. Now, you have got wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here, so you can access your phone and apps and things nice and easily. Now, within settings, there's a couple of things in here that I particularly like. So within the sound setting, you can change a lot of things in here, which is great when you've got noise-sensitive children. If you go into the vehicle and the drive mode, they have got baby drive mode, which just slows things down a bit with that kind of fast acceleration that you get with it being a hybrid. That kind of EV feel is slowed down and cushioned a bit, so it's a bit more comfortable for them. Now, in the convenience screen, you can also turn the rear occupant alert on and off, which is another great one for families. Then when you put it into reverse, that camera image is lovely and clear, and you can turn the parking sensors off nice and easily with a button down in the central console. You've also got a camera you can pop on using a button in the central console too. Now, you can control everything as a touch screen through the media screen, but also you've got a line of manual buttons down here if you want to use those. You've also got your climate controls down on this screen too. It's a really lovely and easy to use touchscreen, and you can also make it driver only so that you're not wasting battery and aircon cooling the whole of the rest of the car. Rear passengers are well looked after in the Tucson. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, so you can keep little passengers in the back the right temperature while you're driving along. There's also USB-C sockets in the back of the central console box, so passengers in the back can charge their phones and devices while you're driving. Now, the Hyundai Tucson has a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, scoring 87% for child occupancy and 86% for adult occupancy. And it has 7 airbags, including side curtain airbags that protect your rear passengers in the back. Storage in the back of the Tucson is quite minimal. There is a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, or a kid's drink cup fits in there too. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad, and there are door bins that won't hold a refillable water bottle, but a kid's drink cup or a small disposable water bottle will fit in them. And there's the little storage handle wells too. When it comes to installing child seats in the back of the Tucson, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, they're nice and easy to access and connect to. Now, there are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 seat backs. They're nice and easy to access through the boot. Now, I could get 3 child seats across in here, which is fantastic news. It is actually a tight fit, so I could definitely not sit in between 2 child seats. However, you can get 3 across. I've got one rear facing in here behind the driver, and the legroom, it's about a 170 centimetre driver in front of the rear facing child seat. Or with forward facing child seats, you can get about a 186 centimetre driver in front. Now, the floor space in the back is not completely flat. There is a hump in the middle, so central passengers in the back do have to straddle that footwell. The Hyundai Tucson Hybrid is a pretty nice car to drive. Now, with that baby mode turned on, it does make it a bit of a softer drive, which is nice for those rear passengers in the back. Now, you've got 3 other driver modes as well, including sport mode, so you can adjust it to however you like. Now, when it comes to visibility in here, it is good. I can see out of that back windscreen, even with 3 child seats installed in the back, which is fantastic. The turning circle is also really nice and tight in here, which is really good. Makes it really nice and easy for parking and manoeuvring in school and supermarket car parks. To sum up with the Hyundai Tucson, it does make a neat little baby drive. You can fit those 3 child seats just across that back row, although legroom is tight with rear-facing child seats. The boot space is good. You can get that twin Thule Urban Glide 3 in the boot, and the drive is really nice. And being a hybrid, you definitely save some fuel. The media system is good, and the cameras are fantastic.